Hi, my name is TaqMan, the Chief Scientific Officer at MightyDNA.com. I'd like to start off this 3.5-minute product educational video to ask you 3 questions regarding learning ability. The first question, the genetic variants. Do you or your child have the same genetic variant as that of Ben Franklin, Maria Curie, Sir Isaac Newton, or Thomas Edison, people who really excel at general learning? The second question, do you want to know if it takes you 6 weeks compared to 6 months in learning a new language? And the third question, reading comprehension. Do you want to know if you or your child excel at reading comprehension? In this case, the ability to process new text, understand its meaning, and be able to incorporate it into what you already know. At MightyDNA.com, our in-house team of Ph.D. bioinformaticists and geneticists have developed a propriety-based genetic DNA test that systematically compares your DNA code sequence to that of the U.S. National Library of Medicine database for genetic and genomic studies. More specifically, MightyDNA genetic DNA test for learning ability focuses on 3 genetic traits found within your 23 pair of chromosomes that are strongly associated with learning ability. The first gene of interest that we test for is the FOXP2 gene found on chromosome 7 that is associated with learning a new language. The second gene of interest that we test for is the DCDC2 gene found on chromosome 6 that is associated with reading comprehension and general learning ability. So, when you receive your MightyDNA test report in your email inbox, know out of 3 billion base pairs found within your 23 pair of chromosomes, 5 million of those base pairs are unique to you. So thus, the actionable tips and genetic insights found in your personalized DNA report are geared toward you and no one else. Now, in regards to DNA security and privacy, our non-CLIA diagnostic lab uses industry standard security protocol in storing your DNA sample, your DNA test results, and your personal data. Secondly, we do not sell nor do we publish your DNA data with any third party. Now, in regards to DNA test kit, our DNA test kit is a swab and send kit. So there's no need to be using a collection tube to collect your spit, nor is there any need for needles, in this case, extracting blood, in using our DNA test kit. If you have any question, contact us at info@MightyDNA.com, and when you are ready to order your DNA test kit, click on the purchase kit at the end of this video. Thank you.